Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Beautiful day in Singapore. Today we're here with Aquatic Plant Van, a van in Singapore that delivers plants, aquatic plants, to local fish stores like the one behind me, 181 Aquarium. Without further ado, let's take a look at this van and see what amazing plants they have. A van in Singapore full of plants, and it's come to stock up 181 Aquarium. They've just finished, well, not yet finished, but they've gone through renovation, so let's check out some of the plants in this Toyota Hiace. Check it out, they've got plants hanging everywhere. So over here, start off with Anubias Folia in a little bag. My favorite aquarium plant. I love the Anubias Nana Petite as well. This here is the Minima. You can see some of the words are hard to read, but that's alright. Not so sure what this plant is, but it looks kind of like a Blixa japonica. I'm not so sure. What is this one? Never seen this before. Pretty unique. It looks kind of like a coral, like a fan coral, a sea fan. But of course it's a plant. This is only freshwater plants. Here is a mangrove. Really cool. You got a little mangrove plant tree. Here's another one. Over here in this little section, there are some Anubias Nana Petite on Driftwood, and the Driftwood is really nice. It's shaped like a tree, so it'll be very nice in a planted community tank. What's this? Oh, so, man, I can't read that at all. Maybe one of you guys will be able to read that. But yeah, that is this plant right here, and there's a couple of them. Here's Hygrophila Arogu. Okay, I better not say that because I have no idea what I'm saying. Yep, here's another one. Here is Carini Parva, and there's 3 of those. 4 actually. And here you have Echinodora something, Cordifolia. What is this one? I've never seen this. Echinodora's rose. So if I'm saying some stuff wrong, definitely correct me in the comments below. Down here in this little styrofoam box, there are a few like this, stem plants. A whole bunch of them actually. Look at that. So you can spend like all day here just checking them out. If you ever find the plant van at your local fish store, just check out some of the plants and maybe you can get a special one that you've never seen before. Over here you have some floating plants like this for the surface of your tank. There's some mini water lettuce. What else is there? So there's a lot of these big leaf ones, like lily pads. Another water lettuce. Over here you have some dry water lettuce. And of course, I think it's the same thing. Or maybe this might not be water lettuce. I'm not so sure. Maybe that's something else. This for sure is water lettuce. Mini variants. And what's this? This is the water hyacinth. The one that we've got in the mini rice fish ponds. These are really good for ponds, sucking up all the nitrates and stuff. Over here you have flame moss. Pretty big bag of flame moss. Look at this, a lotus plant. Very beautiful. And here, what is this? It looks like some kind of Coponogeton. Not too sure what type though. Here's another flame moss. Alright, so yeah, this thing is hooked up here as well. So let's hook that back in. Alright, and check some other stuff. So let's go in the back section of this Toyota Hiace. So back here you can see the whole thing looks really beautiful. I'm not so sure, does this look beautiful? It looks like heaven to me. Planted tank heaven. So these are some of the stuff that the store is ordering. You can see like Anubias Nana. What's this one? Starogin repens. This is the golden Nana. There's Anubias Nana Petite, quite a few of those. Over here there's a whole bunch of Java moss. This here is like the Java moss section. There's the narrow leaf Java moss. Oh, sorry, I mean Java Fern. Sorry about that. Java Fern is what I mean. Over here, I'm not so sure what this is. Do you know what plant this is? This one here. Selaginera. Okay, pretty common, right? Like a lot of fish stores have those. Okay, really cool. Hardy plant, nice. Here are some mini Java ferns. Look, a whole bunch of them because it's so common. Everyone loves Java fern. They're really hardy to keep. Like, they'll never die on you. So yeah, whole Java fern section. There's a big Java fern. Here are some narrow leaf Java ferns. Not so sure what this one is, but that's quite cool. Look at that one. Not so sure what that is. The red leaf, pinkish leaf, pretty cool. Here are some of the mini ones we just saw of those. What's this? I'm not too sure. It looks cool. And here are some Anubias, different types of Anubias, and Java Fern as well. So yeah, this is like a whole Java Fern section. And let's take a look at this side now. So on this side, wow, look at this. You have some immersed growing plants. It kind of looks like Rotala. There's even more underneath this Rotala. There's Montecarlo right here. Then HC, Glossostigma, I think, right? Yep. Glossostigma. What's underneath this one? Wow. Oh, what's this? The seaweed, the Subwassertang. This one is really nice, one of my favorites. Is there any more? What's this one called? Do you know?
Rotala.
This is also Rotala. And is there anything in the bottom or no? Oh my goodness, there is. What is this? Christmas moss. Christmas moss, just a whole bunch of mosses. Flame moss. Wow, very, very nice. Amazing. Here, there are some of the plants in cups. Anubias Nana, Montecarlo. Not so sure what this one is here. Carini Wendetai Tropical. Let's take a look at that. That's a pretty nice looking plant. I like the dark greens on there. Sorry about the reflection, it's really bright out here. Here you have Anubias Nana again. Anubias Nana, very common and easy to keep plant. Here you have some US Physidins. Bit tough to see that, but so there's a golden Nana right there. Petite Nanas, my favorite, one of my favorites. Look at that beautiful plant. And over here there's some moss. Check that out. These are great for paludariums and terrariums. Yeah, so Amazon sword right here. Great plant if you're doing like an Amazon biotope or something. In this little container that's hanging, you can see a mini marimo moss balls. It's a little sneak peek of the new store. You can see the man himself, the plant van driver delivering the plants. And this is his whole section right here. If you're in Singapore, come by 181 Aquarium, get some of these plants. Look at how green and beautiful and healthy they are. So, what are some of these plants? Is this, what's this?
Mayaka.
Wow, you're not even looking and you can name it. That's awesome. So you have stem plants up there, moss balls, mini marimo moss balls. And then the little cups go there. Wow, amazing. Some of the floating plants, some hornwort. I think those are hornwort, right? Very easy to care for, and they grow like crazy. Yeah. So I think it's really interesting how fish stores in Singapore stock up their whole plant section, and of course it's not always like this. Sometimes the fish store owner goes to a fish farm and you can check one out right there and they choose their own plants, but sometimes a plant van comes, stocks up the whole section, and it's really interesting. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely hit the thumbs up, and just like that, this video is over and I will see you next time.